Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and I'm on a street called Via Zurita. We are on some of the biggest homes in the area. At the top, it's above Cornell. You got the baseball field here, and you can see the city lights and the mountains in the background. And here's our property. It's a big estate. 3-car garage out in front with some bricks. And, let's get in. Hello.
They're never going to sell
Beautiful
it.
spot here.
And you were awesome.
Wow, look at this. Big living room, high vault, it's almost 25 feet. And then doors that go to the outside. Beautiful dining room. And then look at the flooring, this is really great. Looking back at our entrance. So let's go this way. So, really nice elaborate bath here. It goes all the way up to a sitting area up there. Beautiful countertops, wow. So, nice spot. This is beautiful. Look at the ceilings are really high on this lower level. It's nice. And then on into this bath here. Very elegant. We have our direct access to the 3-car garage. We have our laundry with a sink and some more storage. Wow, here's the fun spot. Here's a bar. Good little area here. And this goes on into our family room area. Wow, there's your ocean view. Looking through the pool out to the ocean. Very nice. A little nook here. And the dining is here, along with our kitchen. Pretty. All fits. Good stuff. Goes back this way. Alright, so from the entrance they have the staircase going up. I love the wine and the wrought iron and the chandelier. This is nice. So from here, this is beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
Little sitting perch here. See how high that ceiling is in the living room. It's massive.
Today.
Using this as an office? Great office. And this would have that view. And it's en suite, so it has its own bath and there's a balcony up here. Full bath.
You don't have to do it. This is easy fix.
Nice closet. Wow, big master, big closet. This is huge. The second closet. That's the same closet, just another door too. Very nice sitting area here, looking out to the ocean. It's pretty. And then a big room. Wow, so you do get some view from the bed. Like a little balcony. And stretch. Little gas fireplace in here. More built-ins. And a huge bath. Very nice. And then there's 2 more rooms up here. And both of these are in suite. Oh, they're Jack and Jill. So there's the tub. And then on into this room. So that's a great use of space. That's super. Very nice. So neat spot. Definitely a specific taste, but a lot of square footage and, well, it's an ocean view, big home. Let me know if you'd like more info.